Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to today's video. And if you're new here, I would like to say a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made those two sleek and shiny buns on my natural 4C hair. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, initially I wanted to make just a bun, but then I remembered that I'm on a journey to regrowing my edges, and also my edges has been crying for mercy, so I just decided to let them breathe. This is Operation Let the Edges Breathe. Alright, so this video is gonna be as unfiltered as possible, so no too much rushing, because really where are we rushing to? This is just a very quick and easy hairstyle for you to make in just a snap of a finger. Okay, maybe not a snap of a finger, but then you get what I'm saying, right? All right, so initially, like I said, I was gonna make just a bun, but then I decided to make this because I could feel the pull on my edges, and we really don't want that. I really don't need that at this moment. All right, so I'm gonna be showing you the gel I used in a bit. I used Eco Styling gel, so that's it right there. It doesn't leave the white residues on your hair, so it's the right gel for you to go to. Yeah, so that's just what I use, and then at the end of it I just use shine and jam, yeah, which you're gonna be seeing later in this video. So here I am, I already parted my hair into two halves, and then just using my bristle brush to make sure that there are no flyovers. So I want it to be very sleek. Even though this is a natural 4C hair, we still want to achieve that sleek look, right? So that's achievable with this bristle brush. So that's just what I'm doing right here. And then I used this band to just make sure that it's well secured, and then I do that for the other side. You just want to make sure that you're combing it out with a wide tooth comb, so there's not like any bump in your hair. You want it to be very sleek. That's what we're trying to achieve. So there's really not much to do in this hairstyle, just to make sure that there is no bump. You really don't want that, so yeah, just make sure you pack that halfway as well. So this is just a hairstyle, not always go to, because it has gel, and I really don't want to use that all the time, right? We don't want to use that all the time on our hair, but then it is very easy and quick. So if you're looking for a hairstyle to just rock when you're going out, you really want to step out, so you really want to go to an event. See, if your hair is longer than mine, please feel free to just do that one bun. I really love the hairstyle. Yeah, I think I love it more than I do with this one. I really love this as well, just that one looks more, it's giving this cheek look, this, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just it. But for now, I'm not able to make that because of my edges. If I want it to grow, then I need to let it breathe. All right, remember, Operation Let the Edges Breathe. Okay, so that's just all there is about this hairstyle. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and use my shine and jam to make sure that the flyovers are tamed. We want them to be tamed. You don't want any flyovers making your hair looking so rough, right? And then I just go ahead and lay my edges. I also use my shine and jam to lay my edges. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right here. I'll just apply the shine and jam, and then I go in with my tail comb. You can use the brush, the smaller brush. I use that for my edges, but it wasn't on the table I was using where I was making this hair, so I adjust my tail comb. So that was what I made do with. So you just go in with the tail comb, and then you lay your edges, and that's it. Guys, I really want to thank you for over 100 subscribers. You guys are amazing. You are amazing. Thank you so much for your support so far. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you for the comments. I've been seeing all of those. I read your comments sometimes and I just smile, and yeah, that's just the kind of community that we're building here on YouTube, and I'm really excited for that. Thank you so much. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your encouragement and all of that. You guys are seeing your head. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you give this a try. I hope you take out that thought in your head that is telling you that your 4C hair cannot slick down. No, it can, because mine is slicking down, as you can see, right? And it's very short. So right here, I'm just feeling myself. It's almost ready. We're cooking and it's almost done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my scarf to lay my edges and also my hair to make sure that it lays nicely. If you're in a hurry to just get out of the house, then you might want to skip the step. Or if not, we still have some time left, because I still wanted to do my makeup, so I was like, why not? So this scarf will just make sure that my hair is well and nicely laid. All right, so that's what I'm trying to achieve. But as you can see, I'm struggling with that, so I'm just gonna go with a durag on it. So this durag gives it a more secure thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm just trying to secure my edges and make sure everything is nicely laid. So guys, makeup all done, and now we're ready. So the hair I'm gonna be using in this video, it's the bun I used in my previous video. All right, so aside from faking this, I also use this because I want to protect the tip of my hair. My hair is short and I'm not able to tuck in the tip, and I don't want it to be exposed and then it start breaking. But if your hair is longer, then just tip it in. All right, so I'm just removing that. And the bun has two pins that you can use to secure it in your hair, and then it has a string. Yeah, those are the two pins, and then it has that string on it that you can use to also secure it. So you have like three things that you can use to secure it tightly to your hair so it doesn't fall off. You don't want to be walking in the street and then your fake hair or your bun falls off. You don't want that, right? So make sure that it's tightly secured. So I just use my hand to fluff out the hair so it's gonna be fluffy, and then I spray my water-based leave-in conditioner. You can also use water, just water is fine, just to make sure that it gives you that texture that you're looking for, right? So then I secure it on my hair, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for that, and also for the other one. So like I said, this video is gonna be as unfiltered as possible. So just enjoy the view and yeah, vibe to the music. And guys, we're almost done. But you can tell me that this hairstyle is not a hairstyle that you can rock for back to school or to work or to anywhere. But then we also need some accessories just to make sure that we enhance this look. So yeah, I just go in with this hair clip and that's it. Looking all pretty, cute, and just give it that word. Give it, give it, give it. It's given everything it should give, right? So that's just it about this hairstyle. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Let's keep going, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.